Okay, so picture this. You wake up tomorrow, but it's not tomorrow. It's 2050. And literally everything around you is controlled by AI. Your alarm? AI chose when to wake you based on your sleep cycles. Your breakfast? An AI chef is cooking it right now. The route to work? Already optimized by a citywide AI system that hasn't had a traffic jam in 7 years. But here's what nobody's talking about. There's one thing AI still can't do. And by the end of this video, you're going to see why that one thing might be the most important job left on Earth. Let's go. So it's 6:47 a.m., not 6:45, not 6:50. Your AI sleep assistant woke you at the exact microsecond when your REM cycle ended. You feel weirdly refreshed, like actually ready to start the day. That's because your bedroom spent the last 8 hours adjusting temperature, humidity, even the oxygen levels to optimize your rest. The AI tracked your heart rate, your breathing, your body movements. It knew you were about to wake up before you knew. Wild, right? You head to the bathroom. The mirror lights up. Not with ads, thankfully, but with your health scan. Your AI doctor just analyzed your face, your eyes, even detected biomarkers in your breath. Vitamin D slightly low, increasing bedroom UV for next 3 days. Done. No appointment needed. And get this, remember how we used to wait for test results? In 2050, your AI health system catches diseases an average of 3 years earlier than doctors did back in 2024. 3 years! That's the difference between easily treatable and, well, you know. Downstairs, your kitchen is already moving. Not like haunted house moving. But your AI chef system has robotic arms pulling ingredients, a smart oven preheating to exactly 347 degrees, and your coffee brewing to the exact strength you prefer on Wednesdays. Because yeah, the AI knows you like it stronger midweek. It learned that from 8 months of data. Now here's where it gets really cool. You step outside and your self-driving car is already there. Door open, climate perfect, your favorite playlist queued up, but at 40% volume because it's morning, and the AI knows you don't do loud before 9 a.m. You're not driving, obviously. Nobody's driven manually in like 15 years unless they're at a track. You just sit back, work, watch something, nap if you want. But here's the insane part about the roads. Every single vehicle in your city connected to one central AI traffic system. They're all talking to each other in real time. Every car, every bus, every delivery drone knows where every other vehicle is going. The AI orchestrates them like a symphony. Red lights? Those barely exist anymore. The system just flows. It calculates the optimal speed for your car to arrive at each intersection exactly when it turns green. You literally never stop. Traffic accidents? Down 99.7% from 2024. Because here's the thing, humans caused 94% of crashes back then. Distracted driving, road rage, someone checking their phone for 2 seconds, all gone. The AI doesn't get tired, doesn't get angry, doesn't check texts. In 2050, getting in a car accident is like as rare as getting struck by lightning. Your kids will grow up never knowing someone who died in a crash. Think about that for a second. How many families in 2024 lost someone because of a split-second mistake? And now, that's just history. You arrive at work. Well, work is a weird word now. Because a lot of what we called work in 2024, AI does that now. Data entry? Gone. Most code? AI writes it. Customer service? AI agents handle 89% of queries without human input. Even things like legal research, medical diagnoses, financial analysis, AI does the heavy lifting. So what do humans do? The interesting stuff, actually. You're a designer. The AI can generate 1,000 logo concepts in 3 seconds, but it can't feel what makes one emotionally right for a brand. It can't understand the cultural context, the story, the human meaning behind it. So you review the AI's options. You guide it. More organic, less corporate. Think forest, not office building. And the AI instantly regenerates based on your creative direction. It's less like having employees and more like having superpowers. The AI is your tool, your amplifier. You think it, the AI builds it. your creativity gets multiplied by 1,000. In your office, there's still a team, real humans. Because here's what's fascinating. Companies found that the most successful AI integration isn't replace all humans. It's humans directing AI systems toward goals that actually matter. Strategy, ethics, creativity, empathy. The machines still can't do those. Not really. At lunch, you head to a restaurant where a robotic kitchen prepares your meal in 90 seconds. Michelin star quality, by the way. The AI analyzed thousands of recipes, tested millions of ingredient combinations, optimized cooking techniques. Your tacos are mathematically perfect. Weird sentence, but here we are. Let's talk about schools real quick, because this one's honestly pretty beautiful. Your daughter is in 3rd grade. Her classroom has 20 kids, 1 human teacher, and 20 AI teaching assistants. Not like robots walking around. More like each kid has a personalized AI tutor that adapts to exactly how they learn. Your daughter processes information visually. Her AI shows diagrams and videos. The kid next to her needs repetition and practice problems. His AI gives him that. Another student is 3 grade levels ahead in math but struggles with reading. Her AI adjusts both subjects independently. No child gets left behind because they learn differently. No child gets bored because the class is too slow. Every single kid learns at their optimal pace in their optimal style. The human teacher, she's not lecturing anymore. She's connecting, encouraging, mentoring, noticing when a kid seems off emotionally, building relationships. The stuff AI literally cannot do. And special needs kids? This is huge. The AI can provide unlimited patience, instant feedback, and perfectly customized learning tools for kids with autism, ADHD, dyslexia, conditions that used to make traditional education really hard. Healthcare is similar. Your mom just turned 80. She lives independently because her home is filled with AI monitoring systems. If she falls, detected instantly. If her speech starts slurring, the AI recognizes stroke symptoms and alerts emergency services before she even realizes something's wrong. Her AI health companion reminds her to take medications, suggests exercises, even notices patterns like, "You seem more tired on Thursdays," and adjusts her schedule. She's not in a nursing home. She's thriving at home with AI support. Evening comes. You're back home. The AI has already adjusted your lighting to warmer tones. It knows bright blue light in the evening messes with your sleep, so everything's shifted to amber and red. Dinner's ready when you walk in, personalized to your nutritional needs that day. You worked out this morning, so your protein is higher. You're slightly dehydrated according to your health scan, so your meal has more water-rich vegetables. It's like having a really attentive parent, except it's a machine. And somehow that's not creepy anymore. Your kids are doing homework with their AI tutors. Your partner is designing a new building with AI architectural software that can simulate structural integrity, energy efficiency, even how the morning light will look in every room. Everything is smooth, efficient, optimized. But then you notice something. Your son is frustrated with his math homework. The AI tutor is explaining it perfectly, technically, but he's not getting it. He's shutting down. You sit next to him. You don't explain the math better than the AI can. You can't. But you say, "Hey, I know this feels hard. I struggled with fractions too, but you're smart, and we'll figure this out together." And he lights up. Not because of the information, because someone he loves believes in him. That's the thing nobody predicted about 2050. The AI runs everything. It's smarter, faster, more efficient than humans at almost every measurable task. But it still can't be human. It can't care. Not really. All those jobs the AI took over? Turns out the jobs that matter most are the ones that require a heartbeat. Teaching isn't about information transfer anymore. It's about inspiration. Medicine isn't just diagnosis. It's compassion when someone's scared. Design isn't generating options. It's understanding what humans need before they know themselves. In 2050, humans don't compete with AI. We direct it. We give it purpose. We add the meaning. The machines run everything, but we decide what everything should be for. And honestly, that's a future I'm pretty excited about. If this got you thinking about where we're headed, hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment about which part of 2050 you're most excited or terrified about. And check the description for links to the research behind all this. Because the future's coming, whether we're ready or not. Might as well understand it. I'll see you in the next one.